This is a video tutorial for the installation of Govee Glide Hexagon Light Panels Ultra. To start, connect the control box with the power adapter and plug the adapter into power. Download Govee Home app and pair your light panels. Plug the control box connector into every panel, no matter which slot, to test that all panels are working correctly. Next, design your layout on the app's canvas. Before installing on the wall, wipe the wall surface with a clean, dry cloth. We recommend using the hexagon-shaped cardboard cutouts included in the package to pre-design your layout on the wall. Remove the first cardboard cutout. Plug the control box connector into slot 1 of the first light panel as indicated in the app. Pick up a linking cable and plug it into the slot as indicated by the orange number in the app. For our design here, we're going to plug into slot number 4. Remove the covering from the back adhesive strips. Place the mini level on the panel, and make sure the direction of the green diamond on the panel face matches that shown in the app. Press the panel to the wall for 30 seconds. Press next panel in the app to continue installation. Plug a linking cable into the second panel using the slot indicated by the orange number in the app. Next, plug the linking cable from the first panel into the second panel's power in slot as labeled with the blue number. For our design here, we're going to plug into slot number 1. Continue the same process for the rest of the panels until your design is fully installed on the wall. How to combine and install two sets of light panels together. To combine and install two sets of light panels together, you'll need one of the included connection cables and a power adapter. After you design the layout you want, a number of panels will be highlighted in bright white. Tap two of the highlighted panels that you wish to insert the power adapters into. Next, follow the instructions to connect and install the panels. When you arrive to the light panel that you chose to connect to the second power adapter, plug the connection cable into the slot as shown in the app. For our design here, we are going to plug into slot number 1. After that, connect the connection cable with the power adapter and then plug into a power outlet. Lastly, continue with the rest of the installation process. We truly hope you enjoy Govee Glide Hexagon Light Panels Ultra.
Govee, making life smarter.